Is this thing on? It's been a long time. It's probably been like a week or so. But to me it feels like a long time. But guys, we are back with another unboxing. And if I look like I just woke up, it's because I just did wake up not too long ago and I needed to get this going. So thank you for sending that over, and I really appreciate that. Guys, I've already had this. Ooh. Where y'all going? I've already had this for a while, and honestly, I've just been slacking. Okay, a girl's just been living her life, and it's and so let's dive right in. Also, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just because, I mean, might as well. You guys are already here. You guys are already being chismositos, and helps a girl out. Yes, like guys, I went to go get my hair done. It's been already a week. My brows, I literally just filled them in with like eyebrow pencil because I had my hair stylist dye my brows as well, the same color, and so it looks like when I have no makeup on, it looks like I'm a bald rat. Okay, and I didn't want to come on here looking like a bald rat because it was already giving me that vibe. So the first thing they sent, these are blemish pads. Okay, so these are gonna be the blemish pads. Has the website right there, how you're gonna use it, things like that. Okay, so right off the bat, this lid opened up, so it has some tweezers right here. I'm guessing this is gonna be to grab your pad. Guys, I haven't looked into it at all. I literally am just opening right here on the spot with you guys, so don't come for me, okay? The packaging, and then that almost fell out. Okay, so after you get that packaging done, this is going to be your pads right here, your blemish pads. This is going to be to go ahead and grab your blemish pads. Just go in there and lift that blemish pad and follow the instructions. Cute. Next up, a moisture repair blemish. Okay, packaging is already coming out. I don't know why. So this is going to be moisture blemish repair. Gonna pop that off. It's gonna help repair your blemishes. Yeah, so this is gonna have a lot of sunscreen in it. It's gonna slow aging. It's gonna have UVA, UVB. And next up, I have this big old thing. Guys, I had another package, I just realized, that came separate, but it came like not in the same box, but it came with another one. And I left that one at home. And I'm not home right now, as you can see. But yeah, so we're gonna have to check that one out later. And then we have this. Okay, so
a few moments later,
these are gonna be PDRN lifting pads. So I'm guessing this is gonna help lift the face and reduce pimples is what I'm guessing. It's what it looks like. This is a big, we didn't need that. So here, okay, so it comes with two. Here's another one. Basically, you have an extra one, and it's gonna look like this. Nothing too crazy. Remember, I told you, doesn't matter if the packaging is beautiful or not, as long as the product is working. That's all we need. So same thing, has the hygienic tweezers, and then you're gonna open that up. This one doesn't really have a smell to it, but you basically, and you're good to go. These are gonna be lifting pads. These are gonna be for day and night, 24/7 wear. So this is gonna help with stress. Okay, this is good. This is gonna be for day and night. I mean, I'm not sure if it's good. Don't quote me, because I don't know. I have not tried these yet, guys. I'm just opening it up. So this is gonna be day and night, as it says right here. Pause. And then you get an extra one too, so that is cool. It says right here, it comes with 200 pads. Last but not least, what is it? Let's find out. Oh, it's a blemish repair serum. It's looking like, because I think it looks like this, obviously. Guys, it's kind of hard because everything is in Korean, so it's like, it's que no puedo leerlo, you know? Like, I just really can't. And these words, I went to school, but like, what the hell is a? They never taught me that word in school. What the hell? Niacinamide. Oh, hopefully whoever she is, hopefully she's a girl's girl and she repairs this skin. Guys, comment down below. Should I go get Botox? Like, it's in Korean. I really can't read it. So sorry. If you were like, can you tell? Oh, so this is how the bottle's looking like. It's like a plastic. This is gonna repair all your blemishes if you're a blemish girly and you're going through, because summertime, these might be the products for you. Who's just looking for youth and things like that, these lifting pads might be your best bet. But we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna figure that out together. Thank you to Mediheal for sending this over. Let me go ahead and start putting these products to test, to work. Let's see si pasan. Like, are they gonna pass? Are they gonna pass, or are they trash? We're gonna find out. Next one. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you might as well, because you're already here. And if you're already here, that means you already like the cheese man. And if you like the cheese man, then that means you can be my friend, because I also like the cheese man, but to a certain extent. So yeah, we can cheese me out 24/7 if you'd like. So thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to do all those good things, and be a good citizen of the law. I'm gonna go and test these out. Hopefully my face doesn't fall off. Bye.